Alright, day 2 of trying to figure out all the small problems. Not really. I've got a list. I'm cranking through the list. Everything that I pretty much could do on the ground, I'm pretty much done with. I'm going to configure the screen a little further right now, or just finished configuring it. I started at lunch today. Yeah, it's a whole... I'm nervous. I hate this part very much. It's like the 4th time I've hit this part. Actually, I keep seeing like the 3 year today, 2 year today, 1 year today. It's like 3 years today I got my car running. 1 year today, or yeah, 3 years ago today I got my car running. 4 or 5 years ago today I got my car running.
And then you blew it up.
It's a constant cycle. Make it right, and then I can show it to people. If you're looking at the batch fire and wondering why the batch fire is on, we couldn't really get it running on the coil unplug. There was a couple other issues that we're trying to run through when we were trying to get it running, so we wanted to get any other factors out of there. So we switched back to batch fire for a little bit. It's on that. Eventually, I'll go back to coil unplug when everything else is sorted. Probably before the dyno. We're going to do some street tuning after I get it up on the lift. I got to secure some grounds down. I've got to just make sure, I've got to bleed the brakes. I've got to make sure that the coolant's not leaking from there. I have a strange suspicion that it might be from the heater core. But I think I might have remedied it. We'll see. I'm waiting on a catch can. I don't really need that to tune it or drive it. I'm just going to put a water bottle there for now. Then
2JZ, no shit.
where's my computer? No, no, no!
Well, try it real quick and...
That's not at all ideal.
The hell are you driving?
Huh?
Oh yeah, we might have to push this thing across the street. He died.
Yes, sir, we do have a timing light, correct? Hello.
Yeah.
We're currently trying to find top dead center on this damper. You getting it? So he's turning the engine to top dead center right now, so he can mark the exact location on the damper. for Top Dead Center because we were shooting it and he's looking at the wrong
Computer.
the wrong tick. So we're trying to actually confirm Top Dead Center so that we can time it perfectly so that we can turn it on. It should, after all this, because I confirmed earlier that each one of them has spark. I'm feeling better and better about this just starting and working soon. You know what's cool? What I was just thinking about a second ago? At the end of the day, we still get the satisfaction of doing it ourselves because it's in the garage, you know? Like, he may have...
Yeah, we did it ourselves, except it was just all Bert and John. You just turned the key.
Oh, go fuck yourself.
Oh, my God.
Someone's got to sit here on the computer
And monitor.
I'm clean.
Yeah, you got to supervise.
I'm clean. He's not.
Yeah, poor fucking Bert. This man got a Baconator meal out of it.
You have it. I give it to you. Crank it.
Crank
All
that.
right.
Crank that. Tell me when.
Crank that. Try again. Hold on. Turn off that light. Wait.
I wish I fucking caught that big ass flame. Alright. Start one. This guy got a little too happy. Alright, go for it. What is the reaction?
The reaction is, it's doing something! What's up? Alright, here goes the first drive since we actually fixed the car, got everything correct, and then I just put the billet valve covers on. I didn't take video of that because I was way too impatient and I was just very excited. I waited 13 weeks for them. I was really excited about them, but they came out sick, and that means no more leaks. I mean, we're about to find out, hopefully. No more leaks. I broke my hand, but I'm still in it and I'm still gonna shift because I can't wait. I am not a patient person and I've waited about 2 years to drive this car. Looks like my AFRs aren't correct, so maybe it's something, because we had that locked in, so maybe I changed it to the wrong AFR setting when when Alpha remoted in, because we had to switch tunes. So I think we lost a few of the things that I already had set up, so I'm gonna have to redo that. I really don't want to go into boost because I don't have AFR, but it definitely feels better already. live, it's there's no like street lights. But I also got all the windows open, so I don't even know if you can hear me. But we prevail. Feels like it's gonna break up. I don't know. I don't like trying to get into boost while not being able to actually read my true AFRs. Might be flashbacks from when I took this car on a ride when we first finished the first swap. That was traumatizing for sure. These brakes are loud. I still haven't bed them in yet, but you know. I'm back. I was excited and I didn't check the lugs. I mean, I knew right away. I felt it. I didn't say it. I thought it. But this is good for data. I now know I need some extended stuff. Well, actually, I have extended studs just ready to go on. One of the lugs stripped. Also, that rattling is that dust shield. So I'm gonna do dust shields and extended studs, and then we'll come back at it again. I also want to do a couple other little things here and there. Obviously, it needs a bunch of fab work. Other just odds and ends. You know, free revs past 4,000, no problem. Whatever. I'll figure it out. Oh, it's also puking out of the AN bungs on the valve covers. So I need to actually just route some lines to it. It's dash 10 versus I had it set up for dash 8. So I just need to make some new AN lines for it, which will take me a minute. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go make sure this thing doesn't suck. And let's do some pulls! That was cool. That was really cool. I was real disappointed on that for a little bit. I knew it was gonna be something. I knew it was gonna be fine, but I knew it was gonna be fine, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, baby!